In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit received payments in QuickBooks. First, open QuickBooks and sign in so you're on your main dashboard. We're heading straight to the area where customer payments live. From the left menu, go to Sales, then choose Get Paid. This brings you to the Sales overview where you can review activity related to invoices and payments. Next, open Sales Transactions. This view lets you see all customer-related transactions in one place. To focus only on payments you've already received, switch to the Money Received section. This narrows the list so you're not sifting through invoices, estimates, or other items. Before you open a payment, check the account filter so you're looking at the correct bank or undeposited funds account. This is important because the same customer name or amount can appear in more than one account, and you want to make sure you're editing the right record. When you've found the payment, select View Edit. That opens the Receive Payment window for that specific transaction. Now make the changes you need. Common edits include adjusting the payment date to when the money actually arrived, correcting the payment method, updating the reference number, or refining the memo so your audit trail is clear. Double-check the deposit to field as well. If the payment should be grouped with other payments in a bank deposit, it typically belongs in undeposited funds. If it was taken alone, it might go straight to a bank account. Also, review the invoices listed on the payment. Make sure the right invoices are selected and the amounts applied are accurate, especially if this was a partial payment or if credits are involved. A quick caution here. If the payment has already been included in a bank deposit or reconciled, changing it can affect matches in your bank feed and your reconciliation status. If you see a warning, read it carefully and proceed only if you're sure. When in doubt, note what you're changing so you'll have a clear record. When you're satisfied, click Save. If QuickBooks prompts you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the update. You'll return to the Money Received list where you can refresh to verify the new details. It's a good idea to glance at the related invoice to confirm the status and balance are correct after your edit. That's it. By navigating to Sales, opening Sales Transactions, filtering to Money Received, choosing the correct account, using View/Edit, making precise changes, and saving, you can confidently update received payments without disrupting your books.